As per the most recent long jabber figure, Cardano cost will hit $0.4 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $0.5 by the center of 2027. Cardano will ascend to $0.7 inside the jabber period of 2032 and $1 in 2036. Cardano value Jibber 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in jabber at 15.78 cents. Today, Cardano exchanged at 3836, so the cost diminished by jabber from the start of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of Jibber is $41, and the year-to-year change, 31%. The ascent from today to year-end, Jibber. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will drop to 37. In the last part, the cost would add 1 cent and close the year at 38 cents, which jabber 1% to the ongoing cost. Jibber forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring in Jibber. Cardano cost would move from 38 to 67 cents, which is up 76%. Jibber will begin 2026 at 38, then at that point take off to 41 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 46. That Jibber plus 20% from today. Cardano forecast Jibber. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from Jibber to 99 cents, which is plus 48%. Cardano will begin 2031 at 67, then at that point take off to Jibber inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at 69. It is about jabber from today. Jibber value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in jabber at 59.78. Today, Cardano exchanged at Jibber, so the cost diminished by 42% from the very outset of the year. The Jibber Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is 42 cents, and the year-to-year change, 30%. The ascent from today to year-end, Jibber. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will drop to 38 cents. In the last part, the cost would add 3 cents and close the year at jabber, which is plus 17% to the ongoing cost. Cardano jabber 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Cardano cost would move from 41 to 85 cents, which is up jabber. Cardano will begin 2026 at 41, then take off to 50 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at jabber. That implies jabber from today. Cardano expectation jabber. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from 85 to $1.34, which is Jibber. Jibber will begin 2031 at 85 cents, then take off to 89 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at 0.94. It is about Jibber from today. Jabber. Cardano value Jibber 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in Jibber at 59.78. Today, Cardano exchanged at Jibber, so the cost diminished by 43% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is 42, and the year-to-year change, jabber. The jabber from today to year-end, plus 22%. In the primary portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will drop to 38. In the last part, the cost would add 0.3 cents and close the year at 0.41 cents, which is plus 20% to the Jibber cost. Cardano forecast 2026-2030 Jibber. These 5 years would bring a huge Jibber. Cardano cost would move from 41 to 85s, which is up 107%. Cardano will begin 2026 at 41 cents, then at that point take off to 50 jabber the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 59 cents. That Jibber plus 72% from today. Cardano expectation Jibber. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from 85 cents to $1.34, which is jabber. Cardano will begin 2031 at 85 cents, then take off to jabber inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at, 94. It is about jabber from today. Jibber. Cardano value expectation jabber. Jabber cost began in 2024 at 59.78. Today, Cardano exchanged at 33.52, so the cost diminished by 44% from the very Jibber of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is 50 cents, and the year-to-year change, Jibber. The ascent from today to year-end, Jibber. In the main portion of 2025, the Jibber cost will move to 52. In the last part, The cost would add before cents and close the year at 56, which is plus 67% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030 Jabber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Jabber cost would move from 56 to 94, which is up 68%. Cardano will begin 2026 at 56, then take off to 63 Jibber the initial half year of the year, and finish 2026 at 74 cents. That implies Jabber from today. Jabber forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from 94 to $1.51, which is Jabber. Cardano will begin 2031 at 94 cents, then at that point take off to $1 inside the main Jibber of the year and finish 2031 at $1.06. It is about Jibber from today. Jabber value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at Jabber. Today, Jabber exchanged at 0.3795, so the cost diminished by minus 37% from the very outset of the year. The Jibber Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is 53 cents, and the year-to-year change 11%. The Jibber from today to year-end, plus 40%. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to 55. In the final part, the cost would add Jabber and close the year at 59, which is plus 55% to the ongoing cost. Cardano forecast Jabber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from 59 to $1.02, which is up Jabber. Cardano will begin 2026 at 59 cents, then at that point take off to 66 Jabber the initial half year of the year, and finish 2026 at 78 cents. That Jibber plus 106% from today. Cardano forecast Jibber. In this period, the Cardano cost would Jabber from 102 to $1.60, which is plus 57%. Cardano will begin 2031 at 102, then, at that point, take off to 109 inside the main portion of the year, and finish Jibber at $1.15. It is about Jibber from today. Jibber, Cardano value expectation 2024-2025 Jabber. Cardano cost began in Jibber at 59.78. Today, Cardano exchanged at 43.79, so the cost Jibber by minus 27% from the very start of the year. The gauge Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is 50 cents, and the year-to-year change Jibber. The Jabber from today to year-end, plus 14%. In the primary portion of 2025, the Jabber cost will move to 54. In the last part, the cost would add 16 cents and close the year at 0.70, which is plus 60% to the ongoing cost. These 5 years would bring in Jibber. Cardano cost would move from 70 cents to $1.35, which is up 93%. Cardano will begin 2026 at Jabber, then take off to 86 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2026 at 101. That Jabber plus 131% from today.